Hi, my name's Sarah and welcome to my channel. I am an Australian who likes to unbox American subscription boxes. I get about 5 subscription boxes a month and I'm going to review them on this channel. So today I have Ipsy, just the normal Ipsy. There is an Ipsy Glam bag that you can get as well, which actually has about 5 full-size products, I think. I've signed up for that, but I haven't got that today. There was a bit of a waiting list, but today I've got just the Ipsy Glam bag. I do get it shipped over from America, but I do use a shipping company in America to get it shipped to Australia. They consolidate for me all my shipments and they send it over, because you cannot get American subscription boxes sent over here. At least the ones that I'm getting, you can't. So I'm going to get straight into it, because that's what you want to watch this for. So just a quick side note, I haven't opened this. The American shipping company that I use open all my packages and make sure that what I'm declaring that their shipping is actual fact. So this is how the Glam bag comes, and I'm going to get into it right now. So I did have a sneak peek online. It's a bit hard to avoid, actually. If you watch unboxing videos, you actually see pretty much what you're going to get. So the theme for Ipsy this month is Tetris. They've teamed up and made a Tetris themed bag, which is kind of cute. It says, "Welcome to the block party," in the little card that you get. It is backwards because I don't know how to film properly yet, so it's gonna come backwards. Anyway, so there was something outside the box and it looks like face masks. So Sweet Honey Bear Face Mask, soothing and nourishing for all skin types. Look at Me Aqua Moisture Raccoon Face Mask. I think there's 2 in here. Hang on a second. Let me see if I can quickly open it to confirm. Lighting's not very good. Okay. Oh yeah, I was right. So I have 2 face masks. So this little bear one and a raccoon, refining and deeply moisturizing for all skin types. It's pretty cute. They look Korean. Sorry, you can probably hear my dogs playing. They look Korean. So they're cute. I'll actually definitely use them. I like skin masks. So what else do I have? So I got this little bag, a little makeup bag. It's kind of plasticky, pretty sturdy. Has a little Tetris thing right there, little block, so cute. It says Tetris on one side, Ipsy on the other, and it's just got a little pattern, Tetris pattern. I used to love Tetris growing up. I used to play it all the time for like 20 cents for a game. 20 cents. Okay, so, first thing is a little bubble wrapped. Looks like an eyeshadow palette. It says Space Case Cosmetics, Ombre, something in French that I cannot pronounce, eyeshadow. So, this is the front, and I know it looks backwards, but when you turn it around, it's upside down, which is really strange. So the boxing or the packaging looks a bit funny. I don't think that's normal. Anyway, let me open this up. I ripped it. I think that they open this. Anyway, let's have a look. That's it there. It's like a grey, shimmery one. It says Space Case Cosmetics, eyeshadow. It's very grey, very shimmery. Swatch. can see there. Kind of. I've got pretty light skin. But it's very shimmery. I will most definitely use this. Pop a bit on now. Get a bit of shimmer happening. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Did you see that? Wow. I am shining. I feel like I could just go like that. Let's just put a little highlight on. Oh, yeah. Like that. Oh, I am popping. Yes, thank you. Yes. I'm going to pop that everywhere. Thank you. Okay, so I like that, obviously. I am a spastic. There we go. So, I've got that on my thing. What else have I got in here? All right, so I've also got what looks like a lip gloss. It's got a little Tetris packaging. Hope it's not that colour. Or maybe that colour. Green. Don't think it's going to be green though. It looks gold. Quite pretty. Definitely try it. Oh. Smells coconutty. Feels nice. Definitely kind of coconutty and feeling it vanilla-y. Coconutty, vanilla-y. I don't know. I like it. And it's something that makes me shine. I've also got a makeup brush. All Over Shadow, Elizabeth Mott. It's soft. It's nice. It'd be nice in here in the crease. Yeah, it feels good. I'll definitely use that. And the last but not least is Instant Fix Revive. Healthier Hair, World You. Protection. Sans in ring cage. I don't know. Naturally addictive. Healthier Hair, World You. Healthier Hair, World You. It doesn't really make sense, but that's what it says. So I think it's just spray on damp hair prior to styling, spray on dry hair prior to using hot tools for added thermal protection. So it's kind of like a preps your hair, restores, revitalizes. It's good for color treated hair, chemically treated hair, and damaged hair. Lightweight leave-in, detangles, hydrates, tames hair. Not bad. Spray. It doesn't have a smell. Looks like the liquid is sort of, it's not clear. It's kind of misty. I don't know. I'll definitely give it a try. I think it's the first time I've actually got something in a subscription for my hair, so I'm kind of like about time. I've never tried like a hair mask or anything like that. I'm actually going to the hairdresser tomorrow, so my hair's actually looking a bit fez. But yeah, I'll definitely give this a go. I'll give everything a go. I do like this little Tetris bag. It's kind of cute. That's the inside. It just says Tetris and Ipsy on the inside. It's cute. I'll probably definitely use this, I think, or my kids will use it, but I like it. It's really sturdy. So overall, I'm pretty happy with what I got. I like getting stuff from America. I like getting stuff sent over from America. This is just stuff that we don't usually get here in Australia. It's, you know, it sort of opens our world up to other products and things that are out there. You know, we don't really get a lot of this. I've never heard of these brands before. So I'm pretty excited. Like, I love this. This is just, look at that. Like, yeah, hello. Damn. Anything that makes me shine, seriously. Like, give it to me now. I will probably use one of these tonight. Most likely, if my children don't steal it. I do have 2 teenage girls that generally go through all my stuff and steal it. But I'm excited. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos for unboxings. I'll probably do all sorts of different videos, but at the moment I'm just going to start off with some unboxings. All of my subscriptions come from America. I've got about 5 different types of subscriptions that I get monthly, and I will be unboxing them on a channel. So you can see, like, I'll do the work for you, see whether or not it's worth getting subscriptions sent over from America to Australia, whether it's worth the money or not. This isn't my first subscription. It is for Ipsy. So far, I do like what I get, but I'll post what I get. I'm at the start, basically, of the month. So this is my first June Ipsy. I should be getting some BoxyCharm, Allure, FabFitFun soon. I'll get thrifter bags soon. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Like I said, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment if you want to know how I get it over here. If you want to know anything more about the US shipping company that I use to get it over here, yeah, hit me up. I'll let you know. Thanks.